Another one of our customer favorites is our Stand Tall bin. This one comes in many different colors, and as you can see, you can personalize this one. Some of the features to this one is the long shoulder strap to put over the shoulder, makes it easy to transport from one place to another. Inside of it has got these rods to keep it standing sturdy, and it also has this fabric that tucks right over the rod to keep it in place. It has a round top and a square bottom, and the top is flexible. It has like a flexible plastic to it to make it easy to put over your shoulder and to be able to transport from one place to another. This is a great bag for a laundry bin, great for the closet, stuffed animals, throw blankets, just a ton of uses for this one. Especially those ladies that have campers love this because it can fit in those really confined small spaces to be able to use. All right, again, this is our Stand Tall bin.